How to fix unable to install iOS 17 update on any iPhone series 13, 14, 15. And to proceed in details, you should ensure some initial workaround to fix this update issue. Make sure you have over 20% battery remaining on your iPhone. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi connection. Ensure you have sufficient free space on your iPhone. Wait for some time or try again later. Otherwise, go to settings, choose general and choose shutdown. Sometimes restart may fix various major issues on your iPhone. So you must restart your device once and now try to install iOS 17 update on your phone. If problem is still, then go to the next fixes. Reset network settings on your iPhone. Go to settings, go to general settings. Here scroll down and you will find the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and choose reset. Thereafter choose reset network settings. And finally confirm, unlock your iPhone and reset network settings. The third one is install iOS 17 update through your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Connect your iPhone with your Windows 11 PC through a data cable, C-type data cable which Apple has provided along with your phone, and Windows 11 PC. Here look for iTunes. Click on open, and for more, if you want to know more about iTunes app, go through my channel, and how to download and install and how to use iTunes app in Windows 11, Windows 10. A video has already made for this. So connect your iPhone with your Windows 11 10 PC and choose phone icon from here, and all your phone summary details will visible here. Here click on check for updates first, and the version of the iPhone software 17.11 is the current software. Otherwise choose restore iPhone, and after restoring try to install latest